it looked like it came from the scalp. Like, hunty. Hey guys, it's your girl Emily and I'm back with another video. And today I'm doing a hair video. And I'm doing, this hair is by Cynosure Hair. It's a straight wig, pre-plucked, 22 inches. Look how pretty it is. Before we get into the video, y'all always know I gotta talk about how pretty the hair is. So, I just bleached I just bleached it. I don't know if y'all could, but I just bleached it, the roots and stuff, so I can make it look like it's coming from my scalp. You know what I'm saying? And I'm just combing through the hair right now. But I'm gonna show y'all how I do my baby hairs in a second. I'm gonna show y'all how I do my baby hairs. So, ooh, yes. So I'm about to go get a cup of, well, I got some water right here. So, yeah. I'm just gonna do a little bit.
I've been waiting all my life for someone like you. I would watch the days go by, wasted in blue. I was out of use. Now every day, every night, every moment with you, I'm walking on air. And every day, every way, I feel I can't lose. I wanna shout it out, ain't no limit. I wanna shout it out to the world. You got me all worked up, got me spinning. I'm crazy for love, crazy for love, crazy for love, crazy for love. Crazy for love. Whenever lost, whenever down, you know what to do. There's no mountain I won't climb, be right by your side, right by your side. Now every day, every night, every moment with you, I'm walking on air. And every day, every way, I feel I can't lose. I wanna shout it out, ain't no limit. I wanna shout it out to the world. You got me all worked up, got me spinning. I'm crazy for love, crazy for love, crazy for love, crazy for love. Crazy for love. I found a miracle, I found the dream. Living is beautiful with you and me. I found a miracle, I found the dream. Living is beautiful with you and me. I wanna shout it out, ain't no limit. I wanna shout.
So make sure y'all go get this hair from Cynosure Hair. It's a straight wig, pre-plucked, 22 inches. I use edge control for the edges. Make sure you tie your edges up at night. Wake up, you know, do some touch up with your edges, cause I feel like I did a pretty good job.
have to party to have fun, you see. I got different hobbies, and that's all I need. Some say life is boring, but I disagree. I wake up and live my dream. Someday soon I'm gonna make it. Yeah, all hard work's gonna be worth it. Ooh, everyone who didn't believe it, they don't know worth it. I'm gonna try, gonna try, gonna try. Work till I die, till I die, till I die. I'm gonna fail and get up, 'cause I'm not giving up on my dream. I'm gonna cry, gonna cry, gonna cry. Chasing the highs, yeah, the highs, yeah, the highs. I'm gonna fail and get up, 'cause I'm not giving up on my dream. I'm not into drinking, that's just wasting time.
But yeah, make sure y'all go get this hair from Cynosure Hair. Everything will be in the description down below. Please make sure y'all go get this hair, because look at this, like, oh my god. It looked like it came from the scalp, like, hunty. This hair look really good. Make sure y'all go shop with them. I'm excited about this hair. Like, finally, I did a wig, right? Cause this look amazing. But yeah, I love it. Bye.